name is Sarah and I'm here to review the baby healthcare and grooming kit. All of the necessities are included in that kit, and I've now had 2 children and I have found all those necessities very helpful, all of the tools very helpful. However, I do have a favorite of the kit, and that is this nail trimmer right here. So it comes with different tops with the sandpaper that's best for based on the age of your baby, which is absolutely awesome because I didn't know that that was even a thing. So it's super easy to put on and replace a tip when you need to. You just pull it right off. You just set it right back on. It has 4 different settings to take care of your baby, and this is the highest setting. It has light, which is fantastic to help see. And it works so well. It's pretty quiet. It works so well. My daughter absolutely loved it every time I did her nails. My son, he was a little skeptical at first. It took him a month or so to be okay with it, but he absolutely loves it now when I use this and then when I sing to him as well. It is such an awesome tool to have. I consider it a must-have. If you are looking for a baby healthcare and grooming kit that is going to contain all the necessities that you're going to need, and then all those necessities are also super useful, then I highly recommend this.